Greetings, Medicine family. Ideally, I should be wearing a Medicine hat, but Tony hasn't sent it my way yet. Hasn't put it on the website yet. He'll get around to it though. But anyway, what this video is about, I'm showing you all the products that I take. All the products here is what gets me through those hard workouts. All the products that I take from the Medicine. All these products work. And I'm gonna show you a video of these products in action, giving me that real energy. Stay tuned. So here are all the different products that I take. All these products are used specifically for working out for me. If you want the clinical description of what these products really do for the body, call Tony Vortex. But for me, I like to break down products into 3 categories. And those categories for me is going to be energy, relaxation, clarity. Energy, relaxation, clarity. Before I hit the gym, I like to wake up with energy, sit outside with the tea, contemplate, think about what I'm getting ready to do, and then really go over the top and lock in that visualization with these products here. You don't need to take all of these products. You know, Tony talks about all the time when he doesn't like to take a whole bunch of products. To be honest, if you wanted to single out one of these products to take, I would just hit them with the Metaphysical, baby.
Every word you speak creates your reality. The ancients knew this, but modern society has dumbed it down. You've been fed the lie that your words don't matter, that your beliefs are trivial. Let me tell you, they are everything. Take this in. What man says, that shall he reap. If you're speaking lack, you'll live lack. You want to change your conditions, you've got to change your words. Simple but powerful. This game is all about aligning your thoughts, words, and actions with what you truly want, not what the world says you should want.
Gold in a diode, magnetic healing products, see my soul glow. Got a purple amethyst, foreign indigo. Am I free to flow where my mind goes? Got my dials for my soul, yeah. Hey, I think I'm Del Big Bleh. I think I'm Del Big Bleh. Yes, I think I'm Del Big Bleh. Hey, vibrate on my chakras, yeah, like everywhere. Now I'm preaching, yeah, I'm thinking that I'm Del Big Bleh. Got these dials for my soul, I look like Del Big Bleh. I think I'm Del Big Bleh. Yes, I think I'm Del Big Bleh. Monatomic gold in a diode. Vibrate on my chakras so my soul glow. See me lost in translation where Miss Mars go. To a place in the distance, not too far though. You see I'm about a couple states from the rest though. Always keep my grind up, gotta rest though. Cause I'm trying to clear impurities. Feel the radiation round, it's surrounding me. And they all up in my air, I'm just trying to breathe. I'm just trying to ride past all my enemies. But some people got problems, so we gon' solve them. If we don't get it, then you know we gon' got it. Know we about it, know we about this business. And you know we always chillin' while you thinking about the bins. Brothers always hating cause we always seen the trend. And we ending when it's missing, they pretending that we friends. I'ma spend my dollars on the dials in the thrift. Get some number 9, I got no woes up in the 6, I get it. Got this monatomic gold in my soul, yeah, I'm with it, let's get it, yeah. Monatomic gold in a diode, magnetic healing products, see my soul glow. Got a purple amethyst, foreign indigo. Am I free to flow where my mind goes? Got my dials for my soul, yeah. Hey, I think I'm Del Big Bleh. I think I'm Del Big Bleh. Yes, I think I'm Del Big Bleh. Hey, vibrate on my chakras, yeah, like everywhere. Now I'm preaching, yeah, I'm thinking that I'm Del Big Bleh. Got these dials for my soul, I look like Del Big Bleh. I think I'm Del Big Bleh. Yes, I think I'm Del Big Bleh.
Now, If I was going to do exercise, I would take things for energy. I like to dance and all like this. If I was going to, if I had been exposed to something, I would take things to build the immune system. If I felt again that, you know, whatever was necessary, once you give your body the base, then you try to add what it is for that day that you're going to do. But I found out that the things that most people are calling food weren't. And I haven't had a cold in 39 years, and before that was a runny nose, because I know what cold is. I know how to stop a common cold or start it.
The Meta Center for over 60 years has been a space where you can freely research, learn, and share with others about whatever may interest you. Free classes, where many are learning about artificial intelligence, engineering, wellness, and more. Here, you'll find many supplements for your well-being, such as monatomic gold powder, which was allegedly used by the pharaohs of ancient Egypt. We are also the largest herb supplier in Chicagoland, with over 70 organic, wild-crafted herbs, mushrooms, roots, barks, berries, fruits, and leaves, which have been used for thousands of years for a variety of purposes. We thank you for your continued support. To learn more, visit us at metacenterchicago.com or give us a call at 708-668-4909. Until the next time we speak, take care.